Hi, this is Marina from How Glows. Today we are making a healthy and tasty fruit cake with no cooking. The ingredients that you're gonna need are
dates, carob powder, bananas, dates, raspberries, dried apples, sweet cherries. The exact measures of all ingredients are on my website. I am leaving the link in the description of this video. Preparation. Place a piece of parchment paper on the bottom of the cake mold. Dip the dates and then place the dates and carob powder into a bowl. Put on disposable gloves and make date carob paste. Place the paste into the cake mold and spread it evenly over the cake mold, creating the cake crust. Place the mold into the freezer while you are making the filling for the first cake layer. Dip the dates and then place the dates and bananas into the blender. Blend these two ingredients into a filling. Place the filling into the cake mold and spread it evenly over the cake crust. Place the cake mold into the freezer while you are making the filling for the second cake layer. Place the dried apples into the blender and blend them into dried apple flour. Add the raspberries to the blender and blend the dried apple flour and raspberries into a filling. Place this pink filling into the cake mold and spread it evenly over the first layer. Place the cake mold into the freezer while you are preparing the third cake layer. Cut the sweet cherries into halves and remove the pits. Place the sweet cherry halves over the cake. Place the mold into the freezer and let the cake tighten up. Your fruit cake is done and is waiting to be enjoyed.
And our fruit cake is done. And now, let's give it a try.
This, my friend, is delicious.
If you appreciate this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up, share it, subscribe to my YouTube channel, leave your comments down below because I love to hear from you, and of course, make this cake and enjoy this cake. If you would like to peek into my daily life, just follow my Instagram profile or maybe my Facebook page or maybe on other social medias, all under How Glows. Until the next video, I'm sending you warm regards and keep glowing. Bye bye!